Hi, my name is Erica, and in this video I'm going to show you several ways you can decorate funky loopy bows. In the previous video I showed how I created this plain bow. And then here's how it looks after we add the embellishments we are going to create in this video. To make a tulle fan, you'll need a roll of 6-inch wide tulle, a clip or something else that can hold the tulle, thread, scissors, and a scrap piece of ribbon. I start off by gathering some of the tulle from the roll. When I am satisfied with the amount of fullness, I use a clip to temporarily hold the gathered tulle in place. After cutting the tulle away from the roll, add that little bit of extra tulle to the clip as well. I then take a piece of thread and tie the gathered tulle in the center several times. I knot the thread and cut off the excess. To hold the tulle into a fan shape, glue a small scrap of ribbon to the base of the fan. The fan will be added to the back of the bow where the bottom of the corkers meet the bottom of the loops. Now carefully trim the fan into a semicircle. I like for the tulle fan to be around an inch longer than the corkers on the bow. The second embellishment is going to be a lace fan. The lace I like best for this is a stretchy elastic lace I found on Amazon. It comes in a bunch of different colors. It's also around 2 inches wide. However, regular lace can also be used for this. Using a needle and thread, gather one long edge of a piece of lace cut to 7 inches. Pull the gathers tight and then stick the needle back through to the other side just to make it extra secure. And then knot the thread. For added stability, I am spraying the lace fan with hairspray and drying it quickly with a hairdryer. Once it's dry, I add a piece of scrap ribbon to the bottom like I did with the tulle fan. I am gluing mine to the back of the bow right behind the tulle fan. I like to adhere the lace to the bottom of the bow's side loops with a small drop of glue. It just makes the lace look nicer on the bow. The final embellishment is a tuxedo bow. For this, you'll need a piece of 1.5 inch wide ribbon that is cut to 7 inches and just a scrap piece of 3/8 inch width ribbon in a matching color. Fold the wide ribbon to mark the center. Fold each ribbon end towards each other so that they slightly overlap at the center mark. Take a needle and thread and stitch across the center. Gather the center and wrap the thread several times. Secure it with a knot. Now take the narrow scrap ribbon and wrap the bow center twice. Then secure the ribbon end on the back side of the bow with a little glue. Alright, so here's the finished funky loopy bow. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment for me below. Thanks for watching!